everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafter's Corner, and today we'll be learning how to make these adorable little chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. What we will be needing for these chocolate chip cookies is a chocolate ball of clay for the chocolate chips, some peachy color, and a pastel yellow color, but get a very small amount. The tools you will be needing will be a nice soft bristled brush, a blade or a cutter, be careful with this. Texturing tools, you can use sandpaper or a old toothbrush, but make sure you wash it before and dry it, because that would be gross. First things first, we are going to mix the peachy color and the pastel yellow color, and then we're just going to mix it up. If your color turned out to be very peachy, add more pastel yellow. Believe it or not, the pastel yellow will actually make it look more bread, or I don't know, just more bread-like. And it won't be too light and stuff. Once you have your cookie color, now it's time to move on to the chocolate chips. For the chocolate chips, you'll be needing a chocolate polymer clay from Fimo, and you're just going to roll it out. Then you're just going to bake the clay in the oven. Once you have baked it, you're just going to chop it up in pieces the way you want, and just store it into a tiny little place like I have here. I just used a bottle cap. Then you're just going to cut them into nice, even sections. You can cut as many slices as you want and as big as you want them. Once you have rolled the slices into nice little balls, you're just going to slightly pat it down. Now it is time to texture them. You can either use a toothbrush and gently texture them from there, or you can use sandpaper. You can do that as well. But I am just going to be using the toothbrush. Make sure you texture the top and the bottom. Make sure you texture the middle as well. Next, by using makeup or chalk pastels, you can use, we're going to use the tan colored makeup. This is what we will be using to give it that nice baked look. Just gently pat it down. Make sure to shade a little bit of the top and the bottom. Then use another soft bristled brush to dust off all of the remainings. Now it's time for the best part, the chocolate chips. Yay! Dip your finger inside the chocolate chips and gently but with force place it on the cookies. There is also another method that you can do with the chocolate chip cookies. Either you can do like I did, or you can mix in the chocolate chip cookies and make it look more realistic. Once you have put the chocolate chips on both of the cookies, this is how it should turn out. If you would like to make the chocolate chip cookie look like it's been bitten, you can cut out a small piece with your cutter. I'm using this because, well, it's a perfect cutter for the job. But you can use a blade if you'd like. Eye pins to make it a charm if you'd like. So that's how you make adorable chocolate chip cookies. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys! Please share this video. Thank you.